Hello everyone, it's me Chubby from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to disable continue browsing in Android's Chrome browser. So without further more delay, let's begin. So as you can see, I'm using an Android smartphone, so you can see your Chrome browser. So when I open the Chrome browser, it will show you continue browsing all the time, right? So you can see your continue browsing. So how you can disable this option, that is a continue browsing. So here I will show two ways how you can disable it. So the first way, you can see here three dot icon, just tap on it and click on this settings. Now just scroll down below. Now you can see your home page, right? Just click on it. Now you need to turn off this home page, and now you can go back, and now just close this Chrome browser and just open it again. Now you can see here the continue browsing is gone. But the sad part here is that whenever you open any website, you won't see the home button, right? So before it was there. So this is one drawback. If you need a home button even after disabling this option, then there is one more option which I'm going to show you right now. So let us enable this option again. We're going to the settings and let us enable this home page again, right? So now the second method, just you need to type in the address bar, you need to type Chrome and type plex. So you need to type exactly like this, Chrome : // and after that just tap on go or enter. So it will show you all the plex options. So here is in the search box, you need to search for one option named as start surface. So you need to search this option, start surface. So here you can see in the below start surface. Right now it is being selected default, so let us select the disabled, and now just tap on relaunch. Wait for a few seconds. So finally you can see we have disabled this option, start surface. So let us click this home button. Now right now you can see a continue browsing, right? So let us close this Chrome web browser and let us relaunch it again. Now whenever you relaunch or click on this home button, you won't see any continue browsing option. So let us try once more by closing this Chrome browser. Let us relaunch again. So you can see the continue browsing option is gone. So if you find headache or if you find trouble getting such continue browsing all the time whenever you start using your Android Chrome browser, then you can try these two ways to disable continue browsing options in Android Chrome browser. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then definitely you should try it out. And if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.